Oh, hey everybody. Coming up on this episode of Good Tech Cheap, we're going to talk about how all of you can have real power on the go. Let's go. Hey everyone, what's up and welcome to this episode of Good Tech Cheap. I'm your host Kevin, asking you if you like this video, give it a like. If you like these videos, subscribe to these videos. And when you subscribe to these videos, turn on that notification bell so you know when we drop another video on this channel. Today is about some really powerful tech. We are talking about our friends at Anker sent us something to look over and play with and thoroughly check out, and I will tell you, I'm a fan. They've always sent over good stuff, and we've always been happy to recommend their products because they are so well engineered, put together. They always have a great price point. They always have a ton of features, and they're easy to use, and this is a sterling example of all of the above. It is the Anker 757 PowerHouse Power Bank. Oh boy, we are talking some rather impressive stats here for you to be able to go out into the middle of nowhere, all sorts of outdoor activities, and actually have a power station that is so powerful that you're going to be able to use items that would be considered a dream or a luxury and not even possible. We're talking a PowerHouse power bank that has 1229 watt hours. That is ranking, well, notice my hand is out of frame. That is ranking right up there. It is extremely impressive. 1500 watt capacity power bank. Brand new, just coming to market right now. We are very fortunate to have had an opportunity to check it out, and the engineering behind it, like I said, is absolutely amazing. The interface that it has is also absolutely amazing. This is something that you're going to be able to take on camping trips and boating trips. Pretty much anywhere you're off the grid, you're going to have an option to keep the best parts being at home with you wherever you are. Brand new premium LFP batteries that power this power bank. We're talking industry grade materials used in its construction. So it is built to be tough, it is built to be sleek, it looks fantastic, but it's built to be rugged and for you to really take it out on the road and use it. So there you are. It has hyper flash. This is trademark technology from Anker. Super fast recharge technology. When I plugged in the power bank to charge for the first time, I thought, oh, that's out of the box. This is going to take all day. That's fine. That's normal. And it was not the case. It was ready to go pretty much like that. So that's very impressive too. Something else to point out. This is not included in our review today, but our friends at Anker did want to point it out. And I've read about this kind of tech. Coming soon will be solar panels that are very light and very portable that you can connect to your Anker PowerHouse power station. You can take it out on the road and actually keep charging it. And these solar panels that are coming out are actually designed to charge up to 80% in just 1 hour. I'm telling you how quickly I saw the power bank charge when I first took it out of the box and plugged it in. Yeah, that's the new tech that's gone into this. Very, very impressive, like I said. Your PowerHouse power bank, the 757, is also engineered to stay in tip-top shape. Anker is guaranteeing after 3,000 charges, you're still going to get that capacity, you're still going to get that charging time. That is quite literally a lifetime of use right there. It also comes with a 5-year guarantee. If anything goes wrong, which is somewhat doubtful that it will, you can get service or a replacement, and that is not a problem either. I did mention the 1500 watt output power with a 1229 watt hour capacity. That is, once again, extremely impressive. And we're talking a power storage capability and output capability where you can charge your laptop, your smartphone, all the normal stuff. But if you're going camping and you want to use a hair dryer or a flat iron, or even power a mini fridge or a cooler, or a rice maker or a coffee maker, you're good to go. It's even strong enough to power a small microwave. Again, try the 521 or try the 535. But if you really want all out, brand new, top shelf technology, industry shattering records. Get the 757 PowerHouse and you will not be disappointed. You also won't be disappointed, even though this is brand new tech. For our friends here in Good Tech Cheap, for watching this video, you get $100 off. And that is exclusive to here. Welcome to Knowledge Tree Farms. This is what I like to call the back 40. And this is how Kevin likes to camp, right here. As you can see, I have many different devices plugged in to the Anker power bank, and it is powering all of them, and there's room for even more. Let's see what we're going at here. So this stuff has been plugged in for about 2 hours now. As you can see, the water's already boiling, so we're going to turn that off. I got my fan going to keep it cool. I got my flat iron going to remain stylish. If I need to blow dry my hair, it's not a problem either. And I'll be able to keep everything cool because I have our electric cooler also plugged into the power station, along with my iPad and my battery pack. And so, as you can see, it is literally powering everything. And one final thing to point out here, besides the power saving mode, which you can see the difference in power output when it is turned on and turned off. You get a gauge of your remaining time. You have your percent of your battery, and you can turn on and off the AC outlets yourself. Another neat feature is you have a nightlight. And it has a few different levels. There's level 1, level 2, and level 3. So you don't have to be in the dark either. Tremendously versatile. I've had things plugged in for a long time, and it just keeps going. And it has barely drained 10% with all these very heavy devices that draw a lot of power that are plugged in. Yeah, so that was impressive. That's all I can say. Click on that link in the description below to get all those points that I was sharing with you, to get that $100 discount code exclusive for Good Tech Cheap viewers, and to get one for yourself. And as I mentioned before too, if you simply desire something a little bit smaller, more portable, that scales back the power a little bit, but still has the quality that Anker is known for, there are a couple other models. There's the 521, there's the 535, but my vote is for the 757 PowerHouse because wow, this is going to be great to take on some of our road trips. Very awesome. We want to thank Anker, of course, for sending us the 757 PowerHouse and allowing us to share it with all of you out there. Click on that link in the description below once again. Well, I think that just about wraps it up for today's video. Do me a favor, if you liked it, please give it a like, and if you like these sorts of videos where we share this awesome tech with you, please subscribe to the channel, and also, when you do that, turn on that notification bell so you know when we drop more episodes of Good Tech Cheap. For now, I've been your host, Kevin, from Los Angeles, California, saying stay safe, be kind, and I will see you next time. Bye.